Welcome, boys. In previous class, we have learned about Windows accessories, gadgets, calculator, notepad, and all. Next one is MS Paint. You can find the previous class here in our Google Classroom. Let me open the textbook from our Google Classroom. The next topic that we are going to discuss here is Paint. This is very interesting software that we are going to learn. We can draw, paint, by using some predefined shapes in the software, and we can use it for our painting purpose. Text area, menu bar and all, notepad we have already learned. If you have computer, you can do this one at home. You can type this using a notepad. But if you don't have computer at home also, you can do it later on at school when the situation is little bit better. Paint. This is the program that we are going to discuss. Paint is a software which we are going to use it for drawing and painting purpose on the computer. Without computer, we used to paint in a drawing book or on a chart paper or your notebook. It may be on a paper with paint, pencil, and colors. But here in computer, we don't have to draw it with pen, pencil, or any color or toothbrush or anything in the computer. Already in this software, they have already colors. You can set or you can define a new color also. You can select any color, give it your choice. And here we are going to learn what are the title bars, quick access toolbar, menu bar. I think here this title bar and menu bar we have already discussed. In drawing area, it's also similar with that of text area. Here we are going to discuss again. Here it's a drawing software, that's why it's called drawing area. This is called drawing area. Ribbon and all I'm going to show you and discuss it. So this is the shortcut to open Paint. I'm going to tell you to open MS Paint, that is Microsoft Paint, which is a pre-installed software in Windows computer. You can find this Paint in Microsoft Windows computer, and it's part of Windows accessories. You can find it in accessories. It's same thing to open as calculator and notepad. You can find it. Go to start button, all programs, accessories, and click on paint. Same thing as you open for calculator and notepad. If you forgot also, you can see our previous class and you can check that we have already discussed how to open calculator and notepad. Same process. You have to click on the fourth step, paint, and the shortcut one is you can press or you can click from start button and run program. But if you don't find this run program also, from the shortcut key button, that is keyboard, you can press window key plus R. When you press this window key plus R, that is available in the keypad or keyboard, not keypad, keyboard. In the keyboard, window button and R simultaneously you have to press, and you'll find this a little dialog box appear in your desktop. And here you have to type this P brush. The word mentioned here, if you forget what we type also, you can see it in your textbook. If you have a textbook, you can check it in your textbook. If you don't have also, you can check it, the one which I have uploaded in here, Google Classroom. So we have to type here, how did I open this dialog box? I'll tell you again. You have to go to start button, and there is a run command button. You have to find the run command button. If you don't find this run command button from the start menu, that is start button menu, then from the keyboard also you can type, that is window button and R. Simultaneously you have to press window button, you have to press first, and after that, without releasing your finger from that button, you have to press that R. Then this dialog box appear. This small window is called dialog box. You have to type here pbrush. You have to type like this pbrush and click on OK, or you can just click enter key and it will open this paint. It's a software for painting and drawing purpose that we are going to discuss now. Look here, paint. This is very similar with that of Notepad, the one which we have already discussed before. Notepad, that it has title bar, quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar you must have known, or if you don't know also we're going to discuss again. And menu bar, ribbons and drawing area. Look here in your textbook also, it's already given here. This is area is called quick access toolbar. This part is called ribbon. This topmost bar is called title bar. And this is menu bar and this is drawing area. I'm going to tell you again, it's same thing. This is from Windows 7 and the one which I am showing right now is from Windows 8. So in all the Windows computer, it's all same. In Windows 10 also, it's same thing. It will appear like this. So you don't need to confuse about that. It may be Windows 10, Windows 7. It's all similar in Windows computer. So here, look here, Untitled Paint. Same thing as the one which you have done for Notepad. If I'm not giving the name about this paint, then it will be untitled. Until and unless if I give name, then the name which I have given will be saved here as a title or the name of the file that we are going to draw. And here this area is called quick access toolbar. Why it is called quick access toolbar? In this toolbar, some tools are contained in that bar. Means for quick accessing, without going to the menu bar, we can access directly from here. Without accessing from the menu bar, the one which have this is called menu bar. These are home, view and all. These are menu bar. This bar is called menu bar. The row where this file, home, view are present, and this is called title bar, and this is called drawing area, the one which we are going to draw. Let me write something to go on home tab. I'm writing this one by using a brush from a paint. So I'll tell you how to draw and all everything. We have already done this one in class 2 and previous classes also. Class 2 and 1, I think you have already started painting. Look here, this is menu bar and the options which are available inside this menu bar, it's shown. You can hide this one by clicking on this small arrow. Look here, you can hide like this. So if I hide like this, it's very much similar with that of Notepad. This is title bar and this is menu bar and something look like a Notepad. If you want to show that ribbon, this is called ribbon. You have to click on this small arrow to expand the ribbon. This whole row is called ribbon. This whole thing is called ribbon, and line which are divided here. Look here, the word clipboard. I'll maximize it. Clipboard here. This is called a group. This is called a group. Image group. Tools group. This is called group. Shapes group. Like that, colors group. Like that, these are grouped into some names, and in view also display group, show and hide group, zoom group, something like that. It's been grouped. Similar tools are grouped into a name inside that menu. So next thing is the drawing area. After ribbon, we have discussed this quick access toolbar. I'm going to tell you again without clicking on the menu or file, save and all, undo and all. We have just loaded our some tools in quick access toolbar here. I can add some tools, more tools also from here, print preview and all. And this quick access toolbar is to access the tools that are present inside the file or it may be somewhere else, you can directly access, quickly access through this area, that is quick access toolbar, where this quick access toolbar is present in that title bar, the one which this maximize, minimize and close button are present. So here this is white area is called drawing area. It's very much similar to that of Notepad, which is called text area, the one which we use to type our text by using our keyboard. Here next is I'm going to tell you how to draw and everything. This is undo button. If I made something wrong like this, you can click on this undo button to reverse what you have done. And this is redo button, reverse it back again like this. You must have already known this one. And this is save. Until and unless if I save this file, it will be untitled. Let me save it again. We have already discussed this saving option before in Notepad also. I have already told you that I'm going for demonstrating purpose. I'm going to delete this file later on. That's why I'm going to save it in desktop. But I recommend not to save in desktop because I have already told you that while we are saving a file in desktop, it's been saved in C drive. So you better save it in D, E or F or maybe other drive for future purpose. When something happen in our computer, then we can back it up. I'm going to save it again as class 3. Look here, after a name, give a name in our file, the title is being shown here in the title bar. That's why it is called, this one is title bar. If I close this one also, here I have saved it in desktop. That's why for easy accessing, I'm saving it for demonstration purpose. That's why I'm saving it in C drive. That is in desktop. So by using this paint, you can draw. This is the file we have saved. You can open this one in paint also again. Okay, right click over that file. If you want to open it paint, right click, open that file, open with, go to open with option and select MS this paint. It'll open that file in paint. So what is the next thing? I'm not going to discuss all the tools which are available here because we have already learned this one in previous class, class 2 and all. You can change color here. You can change the brush color and everything with custom edit color. You can select your choice from here. You can select your custom color here, dark or light. You can select from here and click on OK. It'll available here, and you can select your brush, different type of tools, different type of brush like this, and you can paint. You can press this eraser also. And if you want a bigger eraser to this one, select eraser and size. You cannot make it bigger than this one. If you press it here in size, if you want a bigger eraser than this one, press the control button from the keyboard and press that plus button which is available in numlock area, and the eraser size will get bigger and you can erase it like this, and you can erase your unwanted image or drawing. So this is paint, and you can select your tools here. You can draw whatever you want. This is select button. I'm not going to go deep into these tools, but this one you have already learned in class 2. You can check your class 2 video if you want to go for this tool. Now we are going to do is next one is WordPad. WordPad is also another tool which is available for, I don't want to save it. Okay, I've already saved it. After discussing this, if you have this one, Windows 7 has offered different type of image format, that is PNG, BMP, and JPEG, etc. These are image format which are available for Windows. In Windows 8 also and 10 also it's been available in MS Paint. You can open this one by using this MS Paint and try to draw this image if you have your computer at home. If you don't have your computer at home also, you can draw this later on at school by using our computer lab, the one which you have in our school. Next one is WordPad. This is a text editor which is very much similar to Notepad, but what is the difference between the Notepad and this? Let me open both the file. This is Notepad and this is WordPad. These are the two different word editor. Another one is Notepad, the one of which we have learned, and this is WordPad. Before starting WordPad, I'm going to tell you the pane which we have just started. We are going to learn next chapter also, that is chapter number 4, more on MS Paint. We are going to learn more on MS Paint out here. What are the tools available in MS Paint? The one which you have basic idea, which you have learned in class 2. I think you have basic idea about pens you have learned in class 2, how to draw pencil and some colors, and more we are going to learn in chapter number 4. And chapter number 5 is MS Word. This is very important word editor. Now the next one is this one. Where is that? WordPad. So by looking at these two, we can easily say that in WordPad there are tools available here in WordPad. Rather, in Notepad, we don't find any such type of tool out here in Notepad. And the formatting features which are available in WordPad is more than Notepad. I'm going to tell you again the formatting features or editing features which are more available on this WordPad than Notepad. ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ Notepad ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯇꯝꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ that is tool ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ Notepad-ꯇꯅ WordPad-ꯇꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯈꯛꯇꯪꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ WordPad-ꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ Notepad-ꯇꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦ. Notepad is very simple and we can just only change the some font face and text size and some it's not responding. Look here, font style, font face and size we can change only this much, and other than we cannot do any other formatting features which are available here in Notepad. We just only type or needs and we can save it or print it. But here in Notepad we have some more features. We can insert pictures also. Look, so these are two word processor. One is more features than another one, that is Notepad. WordPad is more features than Notepad. Here we are going to learn changing of font type, that is also available in Notepad, and font size, changing font size also we have already seen in Notepad. That thing we can also do it here in WordPad, and colors and inserting pictures and do some basic formatting features. Basic formatting features means basic editing features that we can change or edit. We can change the color of the text or we can do some other stuff. We can do like that. We can do some features available here in Notepad. These are pretty much similar with the one which we are going to learn in chapter number 5, that is MS Word. It's very much similar with this of WordPad. I'm going to exit this Notepad. I'm going to start this Notepad. For opening WordPad, it's very much similar. Look here, the difference between the WordPad and Notepad. The difference between the Notepad and WordPad is that Notepad can deal only with text and cannot handle pictures. Look here, I've already told you before also. Notepad is a very simple text editor. That means we cannot insert pictures and everything. It can handle only text. I have in previous class I have typed like to-do list to buy something, textbook, pen, and something like that. It can handle only some text, but here in WordPad it can handle pictures also. You can add pictures and everything. So how to open WordPad? This is one of the Windows accessories program software which are already pre-installed in Windows operating system. If you are using Windows operating system, you can use this WordPad. It's already pre-installed. Without installing Microsoft Office also, you can use this WordPad. It's easily available in Windows operating system. How to open this WordPad? It's very simple, similar with that of previous one. That is opening calculator, opening Notepad and MS Paint or Paint simply. Click on Start button, which is for Windows 7, and if you are using for other operating system, it's different. You have to click on Start button, all programs. After that, go to that accessories, and you have to click that WordPad. It's very much similar to that of the one which you have learned for other this one accessories like calculator and all. Start, all button, accessories, and calculator. Same thing. In the fourth step, you have to type this WordPad. It's very simple. Where is that? Look, parts of WordPad window. Look here. We are going to learn this WordPad window. This is the rectangular box which is available here in our desktop. This is WordPad window. This is WordPad window. Here the same thing what are available here in WordPad. Look here. From the title itself, you can tell me that it's very much similar to that of Paint. That means quick access toolbar is available here. Quick access toolbar, and this is title bar. Quick access toolbar and title bar, menu bar, these are similar with that of Paint, the one which we have just learned some few minutes back. And ribbon also available here, ribbon, button, and all under this menu tab. These are called ribbon, and these are called menu bar. These are title bar. These are quick access toolbar. Similar in quick access toolbar, there are some shortcut tools available. We can easily access for quick access. Look here, when I remove this tick, our save button will remove from our quick access toolbar. If you want to add more buttons from here, then you can click on here, save button, and new button, new file. You can click directly here for opening a new document. If you don't want also, you can remove like this from quick access toolbar. You can easily access by pressing here. You don't need to go out here, save in a lengthy process, or from keyboard you can directly press Ctrl plus S also. Without pressing from keyboard also, you can directly press this floppy symbol, that is save button. You can directly click from this quick access toolbar so that you can save our document. So here I'm going to summarize again. This bar is called title bar until and unless if I name it the title of our document, it's untitled. That means they have mentioned it as document, and this is called menu bar. I can hide this ribbon also again like the one which we have done in Paint. And if you want to show that tools, you can double click on here. Same with Paint also. You can double click on this home or view, and you can hide it by clicking on this arrow, small arrow up and down. You can hide it and show it. And you can click on this, double click on this home button also like this. Same thing. If you double click on this, it will hide automatically, and it will hide when you use it. When you use it again, and if you click on the working area, it will hide. So if you want to permanently show, you just double click on this menu like this, it will show permanently. If you want to remove it, double click on this one and it will hide after you select the tool from here. And similar thing, that feature is similar with MS Pen also. You can do by clicking on double clicking on this one, and you can click on this small arrow also. If you want to expand it permanently, then you can click on the small arrow, and if you want to hide it, then click on the small arrow until and unless if you select the tool, it will hide it like this. After selecting your tool, it will hide. So if you want to show permanently, then double click on this one. So this is WordPad. It's very much similar. This was one of the text editor. Let me tell you, it's very much similar. If you want to show this ruler, this is a scale ruler. You can hide or show this like this. If you select this ruler, it will appear there. Look here, the ruler is removed from here. If you turn on this, the ruler will appear here, and you know, with showing this ruler, you can see how much margin we have. Margin means the one which you have kept from the border of the page. Look here, there are some tools. The one which we have changed the face of the, I can select the font face from here. Let me select another one. Class 3. Class 3. It's spelling mistake. Okay, you can change the font space from here, font face from here. This is for maximizing the size of the font. You can select directly from here also. Look the changes you can see. Like this, you can select from here. This is for same thing. You can just click on this bigger alphabet, that is A, for increase the size, and for decrease the size you can click on the small a. It will shrink the or decrease the size of the font. And this is for bold. Bold means the text will get little bit thicker than the previous one. And italic and underline. Clicking or selecting the text, you can click on here. And these are the alignment features. There are some tools available more than Notepad. These tools are not available in Notepad, and which we can insert a picture also. Just clicking on this picture. Before clicking, I'll tell you something. These are crossover. Crossover means or strike through, you can call. These are when the text you have selected, if you want to eliminate it, you can select this one, strike through or cross over the text. And other feature I'll tell you very simply. This is for alignment, left align. All your text or document is going to in the left align, and this is for center align, and this is for right align. It's going to align in the rightmost side of your margin. And this is for justify. Justify means the right side and left side, it's going to make it equal for all the document. For alignment, I'll tell you, you don't need to go or press the here space bar or tab key. You can just directly click. For aligning center, you can just directly click on this center align. For align your this one text of in your page. Hꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ. ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯛꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯡꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ you can change it from here. ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ font face ꯍꯣꯡꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ. And ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ size ꯍꯣꯡꯅꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯩ directly ꯈꯟꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ. ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ E ꯑꯆꯧꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯝꯃꯒ increase ꯇꯧꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ size ꯇꯨ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤ ꯅꯝꯃꯒꯅ ꯄꯤꯛꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯅꯤ size ꯇꯨ. ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯜꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯠꯂꯒꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ text ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ select ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕꯗꯨ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ mouse ꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯣ. ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ MS Word ꯌꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯦ. ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ select ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯣꯜꯁꯤ ꯅꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯦꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯖꯇꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ, thicker ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ. italic ꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ select ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ. underline sina akhoi underline ni khange akhoi na top notebook to jo akhoi underline tawbuda khange makha da line chingbuda ni strike through sina akhoi na seasonaroi do matamda select toraga akhoi word adu saina strike through to matamda akhoi ka aga legani saina like akhoi na mistake ama sogi kanda akhoi na notebook ta kakpodo adumai mathang sina kaino akhoi gi date kumba ma iba pame strike through the log talk tree to honge silai matamda 23rd or 28th si 28 e matam sida mathak sida pikna th ininge sigi th e matam akhoi na kamai to ni si pikna ininge hai taraga sigi th khalani sigi akhoi gi superscript se khanba matam da akhoi mathak da saina ka khat kani sigi subscript se khanba matam da na subscript na akhoi makha da nem dharaga iba main to dana akhoi na date ki natraga kainom gi akhoi na darka ora akhoi matung ni e gi hai taraga sigi superscript natraga subscript se khalaga mathak ta chakhatpa ba tawgani mathak ta chakhatpa je karai de gina chakhat ka dori je akhoi na atopa normal text nama matam da normal line du dagi margin du dagi kitang hengatpa natraga kitang nemthaba tawgani superscript na mathak da kitang chakhatkani aduga subscript na makha da kitang chathagani kitang piktharaga so this is the difference if I want to remove this select again and remove like this sina akhoi gi text ki color hongba leire saina akhoi text ki color ji hongba yare si uthoge aduga sisina akhoi gi header kana highlight tawbagi highlight tawba habdi we can use this one in textbook also when you are learning something from your textbook if you want to highlight it in your notebook you can use the highlighter for your exam and all you can use the highlighter and you can mark in your notebook also so that highlighter we can we have it's available here in this wordpad also you can highlight your text or document whenever you want to use your use these features so here are some basic things about wordpad and I'm going to tell you about how to add pictures and drawing pen also we can paint it here and put it something we have drawn okay let's learn this one this is the one which I have painted just now and next one is adding picture go to picture format and select from where you want to add picture I have some pictures in my desktop I'm going to select desktop when you are trying to add picture in your document this is the paint which I have just drawn and I have added here in my word page and if you want to add a picture just click on this picture and click on this picture again insert picture and select the location where your picture is being saved in your computer I have some picture in my desktop I have to select desktop and I have to select the picture from here so these are some pictures sample picture available which I have clicked myself look here I have added this picture like this you can add picture here in wordpad these features and all it's not available in notepad so what we have learned how to use this wordpad a little bit changing font style bold italic and underline superscript subscript changing font color highlight and changing the font size and alignment and adding pictures or adding your drawing from ms paint or paint only and how to save also we have already know so let's end here for today we are going to learn next topic in next class thanks for watching